The company that makes Warhammer has told its own artists they are not allowed to use AI, not the fans, its own studio. The words of Games Workshop's chief executive, they do not allow AI-generated content or AI in their design processes or its unauthorized use outside the company, including in any of their competitions. Meanwhile, hobbyists are feeding photographs of models, sometimes of unreleased previews, into 2D to 3D tools and printing the result at home days later. But the tool can only see one side of a photograph. Everything hidden gets filled in with statistically likely forms, averaged from a whole lot of other models. It is not reconstructing the sculpt, it is guessing plausibly. And it gets the visible parts wrong too. In one copy of Huron, the belt came out wrong. The belt was clearly there in the original photographs, the average one over the thing actually in front of it. And here is the part worth sitting with. Home 3D printing was supposed to hurt Games Workshop. Instead, the decade it spread coincided with their longest run of year-on-year profit growth. Core revenue of £316.1 million for the 26 weeks to the 30th of November, up more than 17%. A model that fills its gaps with the average of other models is, by definition, nobody's, which may be the most reassuring thing a painter has read all year.